Let's make a Pipecleaner Cat. If you didn't know, before I started pipe cleaners, this was one of the first creations I started making. The first thing I ever made was a squirrel. Pick whatever color you want, you're gonna need a couple. You gotta start with your normal X, isn't it? You're gonna twist it together, and it's actually gonna be a little bit longer because animal bodies are always longer than the human ones that we make. Just like any animal, you're gonna make that little M shape for the hind legs, fold it inwards. Once you did that, point it to make a little feet in it. Wrap a second pipe cleaner, connect it to the ankle by wrapping it once. Cross that to the other side and wrap into the hind leg. It's starting to look like something. You're gonna take another pipe cleaner, pinch it and fold it like this. This is gonna be the tail. Take it over the top, wrap it around the spine. Now you're gonna do the front paws, which is simply taking the pipe cleaner, folding it like this, doing this with the foot. It's so simple. And then you're gonna do a little indent there. And that's how you make the front legs. Take two pipe cleaners, fold it like this, boom. You're gonna put it in towards the bottom and then wrap it. It should look a little something like this, a little something. If it don't look like this, it's okay. It's a process. Make a little ball of pipe cleaners, make some ears, thread the ears into the head. Now people are gonna get a little confused on the face, so pay attention. You're gonna take a pipe cleaner, ball it into a very tiny circle like this. You're gonna repeat that twice. It looks a little like this. Make pink and put the tiniest little bead right here. You're gonna put that right above the two little circles. Tie it together at the bottom and then cut it off so it looks like this. And then you're gonna attach this to the face. See how I'm just running it through? Then you're gonna add the eyes. If you don't know how to make that, check out my YouTube channel, Christ and Crafts. I have a whole tutorial on how to make eyes. Attach the head and there you guys go. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you wanna see more like this, check out my YouTube channel, same as my TikTok. And I'll see you guys next time.